Alright, here is a video of of Vinny's ceiling fan. And if this is I'm recording this fan, it's small, and this fan is a Hampton Bay, and one of the light bulbs burned out. But hope you like the ceiling fan, and it kind of hums a little bit too. But yeah, I do feel it humming. Alright, so you know what I mean. Hope you like the ceiling fan, okay? So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video.